Go.
Hi, I'm Misk. My presentation is on species don't deserve to die, except humans. My thesis is there are no useless species. Every species plays a role and serves a purpose, whether we realize it or not. Some background information. Species is a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. And species plays an essential role in the food chain and the environment. My research question is, are there specific species that should die because it'll help better our economy or environment? This matters because species going extinct will end up affecting our environment one way or another, but too many of them may also even cause overpopulation. And some believe that there are some species that are relevant and serve no important purpose to us or the world. My first claim is some species serve no important purpose for humans. Mosquitoes will bite you and make you itchy and suck your blood, and some even carry diseases that could end up killing you. When it's hot and humid, gnats will end up swarming around you, and they're also attracted to plants. So if you have like a plant indoor and outdoor, they're probably like around those plants, so that's why you would probably see gnats around. However, they play an essential role in the environment because they also pollinate flowers, and some species depend on them for food. And wasps, that was said by the Washington Post. And wasps sting you, and their stings are extremely painful. And according to BBC, just like bees, wasps pollinate flowers. However, if we have bees, we don't necessarily need these wasps. And humans just find them annoying because unlike bees, they can sting you more than once. Therefore, these species play a role for nature, but not specifically for humans. My next claim is species dying will impact our environment, good or bad. According to BBC, some people think we shouldn't try and stop extinction since it's part of nature. Most of the time, people only seem to care about the cute animals and forget about the ugly ones. But without them, we'll have an imbalance in our ecosystem, making our environment worse. Not only that, but they're also important to the food chain because without them, species will go extinct because they depend on each other to eat. And without a balanced ecosystem, with a balanced ecosystem comes a balanced environment. The extinction of some species will affect humans. Without species, we will catch diseases that could potentially cause death. Because as biodiversity begins to disappear, pathogen transmission causes infectious diseases in our system like viruses, bacteria, and fungi. And that was according to Bard College ecologist Felicia Kesey. And food is a need not only for humans, but other species too. So if we lose some species, we lose some food. Like I mentioned in the previous slide with the food chain. Our environment would be better off without humans. While some animals will die out, like dogs and cats, most will continue to live on and prosper. The world will become covered in vegetation because buildings and structures will begin to topple down. Swamps will reappear, and the only evidence of humankind would be stone construction. There will of course be less pollution, and the world will be cleaner. And this is an image depicting how vegetation would start taking over if humans were to die out. We have to take care of our environment because we're the cause of the world dying. We're running out of time and must start cleaning now so more species don't go extinct, and that also includes us humans. In conclusion, we have to get our act together for the sake of our environment. Our species die, humans are the reason our world is dying, and if our species die, our economy and environment will suffer. And species don't deserve to die except humans because they serve a purpose. Here are my sources.
Are we for time?